that we are home in this lockdown period, in quarantine, it's time to look after our jewelry. We all have some trinkets at home and we can sit back and clean them. It's a very easy cleaning process. We are going to look at platinum jewelry today. How to clean your platinum jewelry at home. Take some warm water, just slightly above room temperature, and pour in warm water into 2 bowls. In one, I'm going to make a soap solution. Use a mild soap. Just a drop will do. Take a clean brush, a toothbrush with soft bristles. Stir it into the soap solution. Let's take a piece of platinum jewelry. I have a few trinkets here. I have this ring in platinum. Let's clean up this ring first. Dip it into the soap solution and keep it there just for a minute. After that, take your brush and very gently rub over the surface. Platinum is a naturally white metal, and over a period of time, it develops a patina, a lovely sheen on the surface. This brush will help us clean out any impurities, any dirt on the surface. And since this is a diamond ring, I can easily rub the surface of the diamond and give it a nice shine. But if your ring is with gemstones, just avoid rubbing onto the surface of the stone. Thereafter, dip your ring in clean water. This water too is the warm water. Remove all the surfaces. Clean it thoroughly. Take a napkin that is lint free. Dab it on this. And there, your platinum ring is shining new again.